Orlando Pirates closing in on shock Kholiso Mudau deal. In what could become one of the most dramatic transfer twists of the current Betway Premiership window, Orlando Pirates are reportedly finalizing a stunning move to land Kholiso Mudau from Mamelodi Sundowns. The rumored deal comes hot on the heels of Monapule Saleng's controversial switch to Cloacop, and the latest development may further heat up the growing rivalry between the two domestic giants. According to SuperSport TV journalist Garabo Pasha, the Buccaneers are negotiating the final stages of a contract to bring Mudau to Orlando Stadium before the end of the window. Pasha said Orlando Pirates are closing in on a potential move for Kholiso Mudau. We understand he's on his way to the Buccaneers in this window. Mudau was previously expected to sign a new deal at Sundowns earlier in the season, but the defender's relationship with the club reportedly soured, resulting in missed training sessions and several fixtures. Although he eventually returned to the squad, the breakdown in negotiations left Sundowns vulnerable to losing one of their most decorated stars when his contract expires in June. Nicknamed Sailor Mudau arrived at Sundowns from Black Leopards in 2020 and has since established himself as arguably the best right back on the continent. He has racked up 169 appearances, scoring 7 goals and providing 6 assists, while earning 31 caps for Bafana Bafana. During his time in Tshwane, Mudau has helped Sundowns dominate South African football, collecting 5 consecutive league titles, African Football League Crown, Nedbank Cup, MTN 8 Trophy. He was also instrumental in Sundowns reaching the 2025 CAF Champions League final, as well as 2 seminals and 2 quarterfinals in recent seasons. Should Mudau depart, Sundowns will be left with a thinner selection at right back, with Tapelo Morena, Zuko, Dutyelwa, and Kikan Johans available as cover. At Pirates, however, he will walk into fierce competition for a starting berth, competing with Diana van Rooyen, Thabiso Lebitso, and Bandi Lishando. If completed, the transfer will mark another seismic move in a growing list of high-profile switches between the two rival clubs and could reshape the balance of power down the wing for both sides. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.